Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sour cabbage full guide. Start by shredding 2 kilograms of cabbage and sprinkling 2% salt by weight, then massage until juices release and pack firmly into a clean jar. Press down with a weight so brine covers the cabbage. Seal with a cloth or airlock, keep at 18-22 degrees C, and check daily for bubbles and skim any scum. Choose firm cabbage and clean equipment to avoid contaminants, then salt precisely and work the cabbage until it softens. Layer cabbage and compressed spices in your ferment vessel, ensuring brine covers the solids and adjusting with a 2% salt solution if needed. Monitor temperature and gas release daily, taste after 1 week, and continue fermenting up to 3 weeks for deeper sourness. Refrigerate when desired flavor is reached for storage. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so more simple fermentation videos appear in your feed. I also use a handy water bottle during long prep, droplet stay, hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. Link in the description for details and deals. Check the description for the product link and other helpful resources. And if that helped, click subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. If your cabbage smells unpleasantly rotten or shows orange, pink, or black molds, discard it and sanitize equipment. Excess salt yields overly firm cabbage, while too little salt can cause soft texture and unwanted bacteria, so adjust to about 2% for most recipes. If fermentation stalls, raise temperature slightly to 20 degrees C, stir brine to redistribute microbes, and use a fresh starter brine from a successful batch to jumpstart activity gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.